We live in a world that is constantly evolving. Newer technologies are replacing their traditional countervariants at a massive pace. The rate of change is so exponential that sometimes it's hard to keep up. We, proactive data systems, are in the same world. And when we claim to be problem solvers or solution providers, we also want to make an impact, making technologies inclusive and accessible for all.
In every corner of the world, there are extraordinary individuals with exceptional skills and talents. The world has progressed towards a society that believes in equal opportunities and enabling people to make their mark. However, when we talk about their inclusion in the IT industries, there are several unique challenges that may hinder their seamless integration into the workforce.
What if we ask you to imagine an inclusive workplace which can harness the power of diversity, where each individual's potential can be embraced and their contributions are celebrated? What if we tell you that we have already created an innovation that can empower the specially able to be an integral part of an IT organization?
Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good and you?
I'm also fine.
That's nice.
Hi, the COE door has been opened. Hi, the COE door has been closed.
Alexa, wake up my room.
Good morning. Welcome to Center of Excellence at Proactive Data Systems. My name is Alexa, your personal voice assistant for COE use cases.
Hi, my name is Harshit Chaudhary. Yes, you have guessed it right. I cannot see. आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ अपनी एक स्टोरी शेयर करूंगा, खासकर उन लोगों के साथ जिन्होंने अपनी डिसेबिलिटी को अपनी कमजोरी मान लिया है। आज से ठीक 2 साल पहले मेरे साथ एक ऐसा हादसा हुआ। उस हादसे में मैंने अपनी आंखों की रोशनी गंवा दी। शायद वो हादसा मैं कभी जिंदगी में ना भुला पाऊं। वो कमी मुझे रोज एहसास दिलाती है उस हादसे की, जिसके बाद मैंने लाइफ में सारी उम्मीद खो दी। मैं हीरो से जीरो बन गया था। वो एक ऐसा टाइम था कि जब मैं बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रगल कर रहा था। मेरी फैमिली फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रगल कर रही थी। मेरे रिलेटिव, मेरे सोसाइटी, सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ बोल रहे थे। सब ऐसा सोच रहे थे कि शायद अब मैं लाइफ में कुछ ना कर पाऊं। और उसी दौरान मेरे फ्रेंड ने एक कंपनी का बताया, आईटी कंपनी, जो मुझ जैसे डिसेबल पर्सन को अपने यहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे थे। और आज जब मैं अपनी स्टोरी आप लोगों तक पहुंचा रहा हूं, तो मैं उसी कंपनी में बैठ के अपनी स्टोरी सुना रहा हूं। मुझे बड़ी खुशी होती है जब मैं ये कहता हूं कि मैं अपने सारे आईटी ऑप्शनल वर्क खुद से कर लेता हूं, सफिशिएंटली करता हूं और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है। इसके लिए मैं स्पेशल थैंक्स करना चाहूंगा सिस्को एंड प्रोएक्टिव को, जिनके सॉल्यूशन की वजह से मुझ जैसे हजार लोगों की जिंदगी बदल गई। So really thanks to Cisco and Proactive, and especially thanks to my colleague, जो मुझे कुछ ना कुछ डेली बेसिस पे स्किल्स, कोई नई स्किल सिखाते हैं और ये एहसास नहीं कराते कि मैं उनसे कुछ अलग हूँ। कभी मुझे इंग्लिश में मेरी स्पीकिंग पहले इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, कभी मुझे इंग्लिश में कुछ सिखा रहे हैं, कभी आईटी के कुछ ऐसे टास्क, हाँ, जहाँ पर देखने की जरूरत ना पड़े और माइंडली मैं उसको कर सकूँ, तो वो सिखाते हैं। इंक्लूसिविटी, शायद ये वही वर्ड है जिसको वो मुझे समझा रहे थे। यस, आई फील इंक्लूसिव, आई फील एम्पावर्ड। आइए मैं आपको दिखाता हूं मैं डेली बेसिस पे अपना काम, आईटी वर्क कैसे करता हूं। Alexa, open proactive assistant.
Welcome. I am Proactive Assistant. How may I help you?
So network details.
Sending network details to Webex. Please check Webex for details.
Alexa, give me switch port configuration.
Sending switch port details to Webex. Please check Webex for details.
Alexa, which sensor do you know about?
Hi, I know about features of MT10, MT11, MT12 and MT20 sensors.
Alexa, give me details from MT10.
Hi, temperature is 26.39 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity is 53% and battery percentage of device is 81%.
Hello? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sure. Let me inform Harshit for this and then he will contact you. Hi, Harshit. I need the help of you. Can you
Via unauthorized XCOE.
Hi Ria, yes tell me.
Actually, some guests are waiting, like in the conference.
One people
Can you
detected
just
without
help me to
mask
get
in
the Wi-Fi on?
COE.
Ria, तुमने मास्क नहीं पहना हुआ?
Actually, I forgot to wear. I will take care of this next time.
Sure, I will turn on Wi-Fi.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alexa, open proactive assistant.
Welcome. I am Proactive Assistant. How may I help you?
Alexa, turn Wi-Fi on.
Your SSID is being turned on.
Thank you.
One people detected without mask in
Hi,
COE.
Rohit.
Yes.
Rohit authorized in COE.
मैं अपना चार्जर लेने आया।
ओके रोहित, ओके। और सब बढ़िया चल रहा है?
बढ़िया।
ओके।
बाय।
बाय बाय।
Unauthorized person detected in server room.
Okay. Alexa, open ticket for restricted access.
Ticket has been raised to RT team.
Alexa, what is the time now?
It's 5:46 p.m.
Okay. So it's time to go home, Alexa. Goodbye.
Thanks for choosing me as your voice assistant for COE use cases. I am signing off. Take care and goodbye.
It's time to dive deep into the technicalities of everything you saw. What we have here is a hands-free voice control solution that we are using to manage the COE room access, guest Wi-Fi, and security operations. It is the COE room for us, but this solution can be utilized in any room, premises, or property. Let me break down the integrations that we have done to create this solution. We have used Amazon Alexa, AWS, Python scripts and server, Cisco Meraki, and Cisco Webex. Amazon Alexa is used for providing the voice control. AWS is used to store our data and process commands. The Python scripts and server is used to manage the interaction between Alexa and AWS. Cisco Meraki is used for providing surveillance and sensor alerts. Cisco Webex is used for managing a common space which can be accessed by a list of individuals or a certain team. In addition to that, we are also using artificial intelligence for detecting unauthorized people without masks in a lobby or any other space. Most importantly, we have also integrated Amazon Alexa with Webex through our own created Alexa skill, which is live on the Alexa Play Store. This allows users to control network and security operations hands-free using Alexa commands. Now, Let's discuss the use cases that were shown. When any person enters the COE room, the Meraki cameras detect them and sends a notification to the Python server. The Python server then checks with AWS to verify if they are authorized to enter or not. This also involves the utilization of artificial intelligence models. If the person is authorized, Alexa announces, "Authorized person in the COE room." If the person is unauthorized, Alexa announces, "Unauthorized person in the COE room." The Python server also sends a notification to the security team, which can take appropriate action. In addition, when an unauthorized person has entered the room, the person inside can also raise a ticket to the ITSM tool via Alexa. It is then up to the IT team what action they want to take on it. Webex is being utilized as a space which can receive information like port configurations, health status, and pictures clicked by Meraki cameras. The solution can also be used to enable or disable Wi-Fi and switch ports for guests in conference rooms using Alexa. To put it in a nutshell, this solution has been designed to provide automations to IT operations to increase the efficiency and productivity. And yes, it can be operated by anyone using merely voice commands. This is just the beginning. We have started on a path that has limitless possibilities, and we are not going to stop anywhere. But I would like to discuss the milestones that come soon after this in our roadmap. First, we will be enhancing the face mask detection use case to identify helmets, safety gloves, and boots. We are building AI ML models to identify these objects on a person to make sure the person on the factory floor is completely protected. The next milestone is being able to use the person identification solution to create an automated attendance system. This will make it so much more convenient to establish who all are there in the factory premise or in any other similar setting. Lastly, we will be expanding the solution and making it useful for the retail segment. Utilizing Meraki camera analytics, we would be enabling retail owners to identify if there has been a theft by identifying if any movement in the shelves is authentic or related to theft. Of course, the road is long, but this is where we are headed. And like I said, it is just the beginning.